This is the PLX built for performance. Take a closer look at its signature triangular triple emitter design, engineered for quick switching between flood and spotlight. It also features USB-C charging, a highly adaptable rail system, and ambidextrous activation switches, all designed for fast, reliable operation. Step outdoors and see what it can do in real conditions. The 1200 lumen floodlight lights up your surroundings, while the 22,500 candela spotlight reaches up to 300 meters for long-distance visibility. The PLX is built with a high-strength aluminum alloy body and rated IPX7 waterproof, ready to handle rain and demanding environments with ease. It's also compatible with a range of holster manufacturers, allowing it to integrate smoothly into your complete carry setup. Click below to learn more.